Assalamu alaikum. It's English lecture of class 3. Today we are going to enlighten the remaining part of Unit 7. Unit 7, the flying machine, उड़ने वाली machine. This unit tells us a story about a little kid. His name was Sami. He was trying a flying machine. He showed his design to his uncle, but his uncle didn't appreciate him. Then Sami said to his uncle, "Come back in 2 months and I'll give you a ride." Over the next few days, Sami worked very hard. He collected lots of bamboo, string, and a great deal of old newspaper. He borrowed a knife and a screwdriver. To see what will happen next, let's start the reading of page number 66. The next day, Sami is a proper noun, started. Second form of the verb, work. अगले दिन समी ने काम शुरू किया. He made, उसने बनाए. He is the pronoun. Made is the second form of the verb. Wings, पंख. Wings, noun. Of the glider is also a noun. उसने पंख बनाए त्यारे के out of bamboo, बांस से. He put, उसने डाले screws, पेच in all the joints, तमाम जोड़ों में. And tied is the second form of the verb, बांध दिया. Them up tightly, मजबूती से. With string is a noun. With साथ string रस्सी के साथ. Then he covered is the second form of the verb, the wings. फिर पंख को ढांप दिया with sheets of newspaper, अखबार के साथ. And fixed और लगाई. Fixed is also a second form of the verb. Some wood is a noun. Beneath the wings, पंख के नीचे. Sami made a tailplane. Sami is a proper noun. Made बनाई. Tailplane जहाज की दुम का उफकी हिस्सा. Of bamboo बांस के साथ. And paper और कागज के साथ. Sami is a proper noun. Painted is a second form of verb. Painted रंग किया. The newspaper wings. Newspaper is a noun. अखबार wings पंख. A bright blue चमकदार नीला. समी ने पंख को चमकदार नीला रंग किया जिनको न्यूज़पेपर से कवर किया गया था. In 2 months, 2 महीनों में, the glider was finished. Finished is the second form of the verb. 2 महीनों में त्यारा मुकम्मल हो चुका था. Then तब he showed it to his father. तब समी ने इसे अपने वालिद को दिखाया. His father was quite delighted. उसके वालिद बहुत खुश हुए. On Sunday after breakfast, Sami took is a second form of take. Uncle Slim to the garage to see. See is the first form of the verb. The glider. नाश्ते के बाद समी अंकल सलीम को गैराज की तरफ ले गए त्यारा दिखाने के लिए. It doesn't look very strong. ये ज़्यादा मजबूत नहीं लगता. Said is the second form of the verb. Uncle Slim ने कहा. Oh, it is, said Sami. Sami ने कहा ये है. It will easily carry you. ये आपको आसानी से उठा लेगा. What a noise there will be. वहाँ क्या शोर होगा. When I sit, जब मैं बैठता हूँ on it, इस पे. And everything breaks. हर चीज़ टूट जाती है. Thought Uncle Slim. Thought is the second form of the verb. He laughed. अंकल सलीम ने सोचा और वो हंसे. He was making of Sami's flying machine. Thank you for watching. Soon we will meet again with the remaining part of Unit 7. Till then, take care.